Assalamu alaikum and greetings from London. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. आपका बहुत शुक्रिया लाइक करने का, सब्सक्राइब करने का। मॉरिशस के पहले पार्ट में मैंने आपको मॉरिशस के बीचेस और रिजॉर्ट्स दिखाए थे एंड मॉरिशस पार्ट 2 मॉरिशस के जंगलात, फॉरेस्ट, वाटरफॉल्स और सफारी पार्क्स और जूस दिखाऊंगी. So stay tuned.
There is a lot of lychee fields. You see, these are lychee fields. People grow the lychees and then they sell it.
Why they cover lychee tree with the
Because
net?
of bats.
Because bats eat lychee.
Yeah.
See?
All these fields here are BioFarms.
Okay. So how they do biofarming here?
It's
Like
without pesticides, without anything here. It's very pure. Yeah, organic.
dragonfly. Oh, look at the fish there in the pond. See? The big one. Come on. But don't put on your hat, please.
Why? Can you go?
No, it can hurt you. You're not allowed to feed the animals. You can't feed the animals.
Can you just stop it?
Okay.
My God, I hope he's not gonna bite you.
Don't do it! Just throw it on the floor!
Yeah.
What is it, Batu?
A parakeet!
A parakeet. This is a parrot.
Look at this cutie.
Look at the beautiful. And there's one blue parrot over there.
Wow, look how pretty he is.
Oh, Hassan, it nearly touched your head. It nearly touched your head.
I'm really far!
This one's pretty.
Oh, look at that blue one!
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a blue parrot. It's very rare. These parrots, blue ones, they're very rare parrots. Over there, outside the fence. Look at this luminous orange bird. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. Let's see.
That one's so beautiful!
What's the name of this bird? Looks like a very... I think it's only in Australia, these
Like a bird
orange
of
ones.
paradise.
So beautiful. Maybe it's called
Look at
the
the
bird
beautiful
of
orange color.
Come on.
The snail. Just stroke the shell, that's right. Just the shell. That's it. But do you want to stroke the shell? Just the shell. Yeah. Remember you have a pet in your school. That's a snail. It's a slug, I think.
No, my pet in my school is a rabbit.
Is it a rabbit?
Yeah.
And who's the pet in Zara's school?
Rabbit!
Ah, okay. Look at the deer feeding time. Look at this green child with the green shirt. Come on. This is how you need to put the food in your hands. My hand is it?
Just walk a little bit there.
Okay.
Just be like
He's just rushing.
It's okay.
Good, Zara. Well done.
Mama,
See?
Miguel.
Well done, Batu.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Hassan, for the food. Hassan, give it to me. The food. Look, he's following Daddy. The deer is coming after. It's okay. You got the food. He's following Daddy. He knows Daddy's got food. Hassan, put some in my hand. Okay.
Like a hug.
Look, it's okay. He's become my friend. Look.
Hands flat. इनको पता है मेरे पास.
हाँ, इनने पैकेट देख लिया.
Wait, इससे थोड़ा दूर.
हसन तुम इनको खड़े रहे एक जगह कुछ नहीं कहेगा.
तुम आओ ना तो हाथ में डालता हूँ.
मैं वीडियो बना रही. Zara, but you don't need to be scared. Come on, Zara, Batu.
Yeah, Batu. Feed him.
Batu, come on. It's okay, Batu, it's okay. It's okay, they're just looking for food. Zara, come in. Hassan, what's wrong?
दोनों ने एक पॉट में हाथ
तो कोई बात नहीं. Flat, Zara के हाथ में डाल.
दोनों ने
Zara, only I'm not scared. Rest everyone is. तुम्हें follow इसलिए कर रहा तुमने. मुझे दो मैं Zara के हाथ. Zara, come on, please, come on. Just open your hands. That's it.
Don't be scared. Open your hands.
They're not predators, beta.
Fine, wait. Open them wide.
They nibbled the feet.
Oh look! I'll be fine. You see? That's it. Put some more. Put some.
Yalla, open your hands. Open your hands.
It's okay, Batu.
तुम भी open करो.
Okay. Zara, it's okay. Look. Oh, cute. Oh my God. He wants it from Zara.
It's okay. We're gonna clean our hands.
It's okay. We're gonna wash that. Put some in Batul's hands. Put some in Batul's hand. Okay, Batul. Open your hands, beta. Open your hands. It's okay, Batul. Oh, cute. Look strong, them. They've got nice, beautiful skin. I love his skin. That's it.
Iguana.
Joey. Oh, Joey. Joey. Zara, do you want to stroke Joey too?
Yeah.
Stroke Joey.
Pick it up.
Zara, go closer. But do you want to stroke Joey?
Pick it up.
The iguana.
Go behind the iguana.
It's there.
Zara, go behind so you can come in front.
From there.
Yes.
Okay, just let's say everyone.
Oh, thank you. Thanks. Look. He's eating grass.
Okay, let's
Go, stroke. It's okay. Just touch yourself. Okay. What are you doing with the tortoise?
I'm just pretending it's a drum.
It is. Oh, bang it. It is like a drum. Oh, look, there's plenty over there under the tree. Look. They look like stones. And there's one there.
Mama, I can see one.
Yeah, I know. There are many. Oh, this is a giant one here. See the yellow birds? These are the sparrows, Mauritian sparrows. These yellow ones. It's good. Stroke it, Batul. Very good to the bigger one.
For you?
Yes, please. Look at his long tongue. Zara, see? How long is the tongue? Batul, there's one on your head. The other one wants the food as well. I have to quickly feed it. Zara has been very brave girl. Feeding Batul as well. Look at the long tongue. If I leave it here, look at his tongue. He's gonna come. His tongue is gonna come to me. See? See?
Mommy?
Look at the brown tongue. See?
Feed this one too.
Yeah? He's a hungry giraffe. Oh, he's loving Batul's food. More giraffe there as well. See the camels? Zara? Batul? Did you see the camels? Oh, look, they're running, look! Oh, it's raining already.
À votre gauche, vous avez des élans, des antilopes.
What is that?
Look at the
horns. Look at the horns. Look at the horns.
Okay, let's keep looking now. Keep looking. We might find more animals. Look at that. Are you looking?
The holes are so long.
Yeah. But don't keep watching. There's zebras as well. Zebras are there. And an ostrich as well. Don't tell me they're scared of ostrich. Oh my god, they're running away from ostriches. See, I'm making a video. And on your background, what is it? Do you know the name of the animal on your background?
Ostrich.
No, come on. What is it? Listen, what is it?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
Something, maybe ibex or
Looks like llama a bit.
No, it's not. Something.
It's okay, it doesn't matter. But Zara, you do as well. Zara, can you do as well? See? He's going to his other friend. He's saying, what are you doing?
Have you seen anybody sit on a turtle shell?
Well, I can sit on a turtle shell.
No, have you seen anybody? Look at that! That is so neat! Look, that is so hot. That's so neat.
Let's see if he moves. Then Batul will have a turtle ride. He's moving. Batul, don't say yes. It's okay. Imran, थोड़ा पीछे करो ना. देखा कितना ऊंचा हुआ है? Look. और करो.
You want to eat food?
Wow.
Come and grab it.
कितना लंबा ये stretch होता है? Imran, Mama is scared. दे दो ऐसे लीची मैं You okay? Feed him.
No, I don't want to.
Why?
You feed it.
But to move a little bit forward. He's not gonna say yes. More. That's it.
What did he do?
There's one more there.
And I'm going to feed another one.
Three more here.
Why?
So many turtles.
You want to sit on him?
No.
Who wants to sit on him?
इस वाटरफॉल का नाम क्या है इमरान? शमारेल. और क्या रॉक्स का तुम क्या बता रहे थे?
जो टॉप रॉक है वो 5 मिलियन ईयर्स ओल्ड है. जो नीचे वाली ब्लैक रॉक है, वीडियो भी बना लो ब्लैक रॉक की,
हाँ
वो 10 मिलियन ईयर्स ओल्ड है. और ये ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में
और यहाँ वोल्केनो आए थे कभी, है ना, वोल्केनो एक्टिविटीज।
जुरासिक है इसकी।
जुरासिक पार्क तो नहीं था यहाँ के?
यहाँ पे डायनासोर वगैरह।
ये मुझे लग रहा है पहले ये वोल्केनो था।
हाँ, maybe maybe dinosaurs jumped and हाँ कितने अच्छे दरख्त हैं।
फ्लैट वाले पहले के दौर पे।
उफला, मुझे dinosaurs होते हो जरा बताओ, you know, maybe there were dinosaurs here thousands and thousands years before. Hold it, don't